Good morning. Welcome to Morning Math with the Gallaghers. We're back inside this week. We're still going outside. We're just not going outside for these Morning Math with the Gallaghers anymore. And Grayson is here, and he's holding up our sign, Morning Math with the Gallaghers. And Grayson, what are we learning today?
A dice area game.
A dice area game.
Wow, I actually read it without even looking at it.
So this is a fun game that you can play with your family, with your younger siblings. They don't have to really know anything about math to play this game. It's pretty simple. And what you need for this game, you need two six-sided dice. If you don't have dice at home, you can always download a dice rolling simulator on your phone, or you can just look one up on the internet. And you need some graph paper or grid paper, also something you can print online if you don't have it at home. And you need two colored markers, and that's it. And so, Grayson, are you ready to start playing the game?
1 sec.
1 second. Okay. I'm going to switch to the Ziggy cam so you guys can see us playing the game.
Ziggy cam. It's a fun word to say.
It's a very fun word to say.
I know. Ziggy. Especially if you say it right.
Yeah. So here we have our graph paper. We have our two colors. Grayson is going to be green, and I'm going to be red. And we have our two dice.
Christmas colors.
Yes.
The word is in a Christmas special.
Okay, Grayson, are you ready? You want to go first or second?
This is both of our favorite colors.
Yeah, it's both of our favorite colors. Okay, you want to go first or second?
First.
First. Okay, so here's what he's going to do. He's going to roll the dice.
Both of them?
Both of them.
Okay. Just making sure.
Yeah.
We have never played this before.
Yeah, we've never played this before.
I had a hunch of how it was, and it was like that.
Yeah.
I wasn't sure. Since you read it to me, I was like, wait, are we doing that? And then the other person does that, or are we doing this?
Yeah, you're rolling both of them. Okay, so go ahead and take your first official roll. So one person rolls both dice. Okay,
so
it's a
3 and a 2.
Grayson got a 3 and a 2. So Grayson, you're gonna pick a corner to start in, and he's gonna draw a rectangle that is the dimensions of the numbers that he drew. So 3 and 2. And then you are supposed to also find the area. And so there's a little bit of math involved. Yeah, so 3 times 2 equals 6. And it's just multiplication because it's area.
You could just do 3 plus 3 equals 6.
Yeah, you could do 3 plus 3 equals 6 since there were 2 3s. Or the great thing about doing this on graph paper is you can just count how many boxes there are.
Yeah.
Right? So a 2 by 3 square or a 3 by 2 square has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you're playing with your younger siblings and they don't know about multiplication yet and they don't know about area yet, that's okay. You can actually teach them about multiplication and area by just counting the boxes. Ooh, I got a really big one, great. So I got 6 and 3. So Grayson is starting over here in this corner. I'm going to start up here in this corner.
That's what the guy that line did.
And you can draw it whichever direction you want. So I can go 6 this way and 3 that way, or I can go 6 this way and 3 that way.
Mom, it's actually area dice game, not dice area game.
Oops. Same thing, huh? Close enough?
Nope.
What property is that when we get to switch them around?
Commutative.
Commutative property.
Even with math.
Well, everything is with math.
Oh yeah.
So let's see. 6 times 3 is 18.
Everything is actually math.
Everything is math. That's kind of the whole cool thing about math. Okay, your turn.
Even science.
Oh, science is definitely math.
The rocket equation. Like the rocket equation.
The rocket equation, yep.
Yeah, equation is math, and then math. And that's science, and I don't know.
Okay, take your turn, dude.
Oh, I thought you were going to do the multiplication.
I did. 6 times 3 is 18.
Oh, I thought you were going to write it down.
Oh, you know, I don't know if it would fit, so I just wrote 18. Is that okay?
I'm tired today.
Yeah. 5 and 1. So now when he draws
small numbers.
When he draws his second square, it has to be touching his first square somehow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. And you can just put the area in there. 5. So notice that we built off of the first one. So you have to kind of keep building off of the ones that you already did. Oof, 5 times 3, great. I'm getting really good ones here.
I know.
I'm going to go this way.
Probably going to lose.
I don't know. We're only on our second hand.
I just so. I just need to roll higher numbers.
You need to roll higher numbers, yeah. Oh my goodness. Okay, 6 by 6. Okay, great. So where are you going to draw that? So here he's going to kind of restrict himself a little bit depending on where he draws it. Okay, but wait, this one's only 5 tall, so you'll need to make this one taller.
Right here.
So, well, you can't, you got to start right here.
Right there.
Right here.
Right here.
On that line, yeah. Make that one taller so that that's a 6. And now you can go over that way 6. Nope, this way. This way.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. One more. Ooh, one more.
No.
It's okay. There you go. 6. Okay, 6 times 6 is nice square number.
Yep.
All right, so you can see as we keep playing that we're going to kind of restrict ourselves on what we can draw. So now he's got this blank space here that he doesn't have very many options about what he can
We
put
can
there.
only do 2 or 1.
Yeah. So let's see. I'm going to go.
Oh.
I know, I'm sure that's how everyone's feeling today, bud, after having spring break, huh? You got to wake up and you got to do your work.
I know.
All right, and so this is
basically
this is basically how you play the game, and you just keep going until you can't draw any more squares. When you can't draw any more squares, you're going to count up who has the biggest squares. For that, you can use a calculator if you want. Who used up the most area on your graph paper, and that's the winner.
It's
So-
kind of like that. It's kind of like that dot game on the kids stuff. Like
Yeah.
on the
Oh, the
kid-
one where you have to draw lines and you have to
connect it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll do that for another one, huh?
Yeah, that one is fun.
Yeah, so that one's played on dot paper, and we and you connect the lines, and if you complete a square, you get to write your
Name.
initials in there.
Oh, name.
Stop being silly, dude. All right, so we're gonna finish this game off the camera because I'm sure it would be very boring to keep watching us play the game. And I think you have the basic idea of what the rules are. And so that's it for today's Morning Math with Gallagher's, and we will see you later.
Bye. Bye. And all done.